Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I would be your examiner for this part of the test, and this test would be recorded. What is your full name?
My full name is Nikita.
How may I address you?
You may address me by my name, Nikita.
May I see your identification, please, Nikita?
Yes, sure. Here is my passport.
Okay. Thank you so much. Are you working or student?
Well, I am a student. Recently, I have done my graduation in BCom field.
Okay. Now, few questions will be based on clothing. What kind of clothes you like to wear?
Well, I like to wear different kinds of clothes like t-shirts, jeans, and suits also. But sometimes it depends on the circumstances. Whenever I have to need to go at outer place, then I wear smart clothes.
Do you like wearing t-shirts?
Without a shadow of doubt, I can easily say that I like to wear t-shirts because I feel comfortable whenever I wear them, and I have different kind of colors t-shirts like white, green, yellow, and blue also.
Do you spend a lot of time choosing clothes?
Never. I do not spend a lot of time of choosing clothes because at home I decide which things I need to buy and which things and clothes I can buy at a reasonable price.
That's good. So, before proceeding further to this interview, here I would like to inform you guys at your IELTS partner platform, we are offering IELTS online classes. If you guys wish to enroll in our classes in all modules or in reading, writing, speaking, listening separately, then you can join our classes. First of all, you can book free demo class and later on you can enroll in our classes. The number is displayed below. Either you can contact us or WhatsApp us. So Nikita, do you prefer to wear comfortable and smart clothes?
Well, on the daily basis, I always prefer to wear comfortable clothes. Whenever I have to go to other place, like in birthday parties, ceremony, and marriages also, at that moment I prefer to wear smart clothes. It always increase the beauty of my personality.
Now, few questions will be based on noise. Do you like to stay in a place with lot of noise?
Definitely no. I do not like to stay in a noisy place because I like to stay in a tranquil place. Whenever I work there, I feel confident and I can easily concentrate on my work.
What kind of noises are there in the area where you live?
Where I live, there are lots of noises because lots of people have their own vehicle and industries are also being built regularly. So these are the reasons why noise are increasing.
Okay. Do you think there is too much noise in today's world?
Definitely, there are lots of noise and pollution in the world because every people have their own vehicle and they always use them to go at a workplace or personal spaces also. And vehicles always increase the toxic gases.
Now, few questions will be based on robots. Are robots important?
Absolutely, robots are important. They help us to do different kinds of works like cooking, mopping, and dusting also, and they can also easy our work.
Do robots affect people's lives?
Indeed, robots affect the people's life because people do not put their physical effort on the work. They always depend on the robots for doing any kind of work at their workplace or at personal place also.
Great. What can robots do for you at home?
Well, if I talk about the robots like things, computer, washing machine, and refrigerators also, with the help of computer, I can make a spreadsheet, Excel sheet also, and we do not put our more physical effort on them. They do the work in an efficient way.
Okay, that's wonderful. So Nikita, this is end of the part 1. Now I'm going to give you a cue card. And if you wish to make notes, then you can for a minute. And you have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes. Yes, Nikita, your time starts now. You may start speaking.
Well, following to the people in the whole world is becoming more popular, and I follow a lot of people on social media like Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook also. But is the most popular app is Instagram. I will talk about the person who is followed by me on Instagram. She is none other than Nimrat Khaira. She is the only daughter of her parents, and she born in Gurdaspur in 1982. apart from it, I followed her on the social media in Instagram 1 year prior, and she is very famous in all over the world also. Moreover, uh, she's looking very beautiful, and her dressing sense is also more eminent in my society.
Mm-hmm.
She always posts different kinds of things on her social media like dressing, and she's also an actress in Bollywood industries, and
Mm-hmm.
I inspired by her because I want to become an influencer on the social media. That's why I always followed her to post anything on my public account also. uh,
Mm-hmm.
the dressing sense of her always inspire me to wear different kinds of clothes like in Indian, Haryanvi and Punjabi also, because she always represent the culture and tradition in my society.
Mm-hmm.
And I am also a photogenic person, and I always click the different pictures by inspiring her on my account. And there are a lots of people also on my social media, but my most favorite actress is Nimrit Khera, because the beauty of her face always amaze me, and that's the person who is
Whom you
followed by
follow, whom you
whom I
follow on
follow
social media.
on social.
Okay, now this is end of the part two. Now I'm going to ask some follow-up questions, and all the questions will be based on this cue card. Do you think it is easy to make friends on social media?
According to my own perception, it is very difficult to make friends on social media because a lots of people always put their fake identity to misguide other person, and
Hmm.
it is very difficult for them to trust on other people. And if I talk about me, I always follow them to those people who put their actual identity like name and age also, and they always put their different kinds of things and post also which are related to the knowledge like
Mm-hmm.
study.
What can people do on social media?
People can do a lots of things on social media because different people have different talents. They can post the pictures and videos also by making the reels, and they can also get more followers and views also, and that
Mm-hmm.
is the platform which is very famous in the all over the world. They can also get the di- uh,
Mm-hmm. Okay, so don't you think that people can do acting, comedy, or they can perform the talent of sports?
Well, it depends on the person choice. They can post different things like
Mm-hmm.
comedy, dance, and singing also.
Yeah,
That platform is very demandable, and
it's
they can
demanding platform.
demanding
Okay.
platform, and they can also get more name and fame from this platform.
Okay. Do you think people will read newspaper or books in the future?
According to my point of view, technology is increasing day by day, and people will not read more newspaper and printed books in future because they can read anything on social media, but they can also misguide from the internet also. But older people have different opinions about the reading newspaper. They are the
Mm-hmm.
addicted to read from the printed books.
Mm-hmm. Do older people spend much time on social media?
Well, I think older people do not spend excessive amount of time on social media because they always get connected with their friends on Facebook only,
Mm-hmm.
and younger spend a lot of time on social media to post their pictures and reels also,
Mm-hmm.
because they have different opinion from the older ones. And
Okay. So you mean to say that young people spend too much time on social media than older people?
yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. This is end of the test. Thank you. Hey everyone, now this is time to give the feedback for Nikita speaking. Today I'm giving 6.5 band score to Nikita. She really needs to work hard to get a good band score in the final examination. If you guys having such type of speaking, then I really advise you guys that start working hard over this. You may get 6.5 or 6 in the final examination if you are speaking like this, like Nikita. So today I'm giving 6.5 band score. And the part one, she was good. She was elaborating the answers, but she was not using good starters in the part one. Coming to the cue card was very interesting, especially my favorite one. a person whom you follow on the social media. Then she took the name of an actress, Nimrat Khera, who is a Punjabi singer and actress as well. But she was not able to elaborate about her a lot. Actually, this is not this test is not evaluating a student's idea, or not evaluating the student's knowledge about the topic, whatever he or she is going to talk about. But here, that she was trying to repeat about her favorite actress or her favorite celebrities whom she's following on the social media. So she could elaborate a lot about her, as she is an actress and she is a singer as well, and she is a world popular star. So she could have lots of ideas to talk about her, but here she was just repeating three or four ideas continuously. It made me disappointed. And above all, she did not use connectors. So in the fluency and coherence part, this is really important, that when you are joining one bullet to another bullet, then try to add some connectors. Moreover, additionally, I would be happy to say about her this and this. In the end, I would like to say, or while closing up, I would like to say this. But she did not use a single connector in the entire speaking, so she lagged in the coherence as well. And on the name of vocabulary, she did not use very uncommon words, as normally candidates who appear and they speak very common words, then she was using common words. So this also did not impress me, and she lagged in the vocabulary as well. Coming to the follow-up parts, like here, the follow-ups were also quite interesting. So here she was not having the strong opinion. So on my every interview and while giving the feedback, I advised the students or candidates that in the follow-up part, this is really important. With that four criteria, you must have a strong opinion, like practically what is going on, talk about that. But here she missed. I was trying to force her to speak practically, because I was asking some questions in between, but still she was failed in that too. So in opinion, in the follow-up part, she hadn't strong opinion, but if she could work hard, then definitely she can get good band score in the final examination. Thank you so much.